Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus shifts to a highly anticipated accessory for TAOPON smartwatch owners, the soft silicone watch strap. This replacement band promises to elevate the user experience, and it certainly delivers on several fronts. Upon first handling, one immediately notices the exceptional softness of the silicone material. It possesses a smooth, almost velvety texture that feels incredibly gentle against the skin. This isn't just any silicone. It's designed for comfort, making it ideal for extended wear, whether one is tackling a busy workday, engaging in a strenuous workout, or simply relaxing at home. The flexibility of the material allows the strap to conform effortlessly to the wrist's natural curve, eliminating any stiffness or irritation often associated with lesser quality bands. A standout feature of this TAOPON-compatible strap is its quick-release mechanism. This design element is a game-changer for those who enjoy customizing their smartwatch to match different outfits or activities. Swapping out the old band for this new silicone one is a matter of mere seconds, requiring no special tools or complicated maneuvers. The integrated pins simply slide into place, providing a secure and reliable connection to the TAOPON smartwatch. This ease of interchangeability encourages users to personalize their device without any hassle. The adjustability of the strap is another significant advantage. It features a classic buckle closure with numerous sizing holes, ensuring a perfect fit for a wide range of wrist sizes. A snug yet comfortable fit is crucial for accurate heart rate monitoring and other health tracking features of a smartwatch, and this band certainly facilitates that. Users will appreciate how securely the watch stays in place, without feeling overly tight or restrictive. Durability is also a key consideration for any watch accessory, and this silicone strap appears to be built to last. Silicone is inherently resistant to sweat, water, and everyday wear and tear, making it an excellent choice for an active lifestyle. It's easy to clean, maintaining its fresh appearance with minimal effort, which is a practical benefit for anyone who wears their smartwatch daily. The vibrant color, if chosen, also holds up well over time, resisting fading. In summary, for TAOPON smartwatch owners seeking an upgrade or a comfortable replacement, this soft silicone watch strap is a compelling option. It combines superior comfort, effortless quick-release functionality, and robust durability into a single, well-designed accessory. It truly enhances the overall wearability of the TAOPON smartwatch, making it a more enjoyable device to have on one's wrist throughout the day. The thoughtful design and quality materials make it a worthwhile investment for any TAOPON user looking for a blend of practicality and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.